Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add testimonials in WordPress website. Firstly, I am going to plugin section to add new plugin and search here with Kadence. This is the plugin Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. We need to install and activate this plugin. I already installed and activated this plugin. I am going to all post section now. After that, I am going to edit this post. End of this blog post, I want to add testimonial. By following the same method, you can add testimonial for your WordPress page also. Just I am showing it on my blog post. So I'm giving enter. After that, I'm going to click on plus add block icon. After clicking search here with testimonial, this is the testimonial block and it's coming from Gutenberg Cadence block plugin. I'm selecting this testimonial. You see, this is the testimonial block. After clicking here, I have to click on this icon. If I click on this icon, I will get the option from the right side, testimonial types. What types of testimonial you want to display here? So here is 4 testimonial. I will guide one testimonial as example. All of the settings I will show you. After watching that settings, you can customize rest of the 3 also. I am going to select this third testimonial. Perfect. After that, here you should write the testimonial title, here description, here the testimonial person name and his profession. I have added a title and the testimonial text. After that, here is the testimonial person name. For example, I am adding it as Nadia, CEO of Nadia blog. And here I can add her image, or even if I wish I can use the icon also. If you want to add the image here, just click here and select the image from your media library. As a demo, I am selecting this image. Select. So testimonial person image is displaying, her name, her profession and her testimonial is displaying here. Now I want to show you how you can customize these things. For this, firstly you have to click inside of your blog, then click this icon. After clicking here, in the right side you will get the option of blog, and under this blog you will get the general settings, style settings and advanced settings. I'm going to start with general settings. Under the general settings, first settings is layout, and by default this is grid layout, but if you wish you can make it carousel layout. I am selecting the carousel layout. Then you can add multiple testimonial on your website. So how you can add the multiple testimonial? Just you have to click on this plus icon. I am clicking here. You see another testimonial added and you can customize it as I did for the first testimonial for this one. If I come to the down, then it's the column. How many columns? Here by default it's one column, but if I want to make it 3 column, then you can see 3 testimonial together. I think one is the standard. I'm making it again one. And next option is column gutter. You can customize it from here. And below column gutter, this is the carousel settings. If I click on the right arrow icon, I get the carousel type. By default it's infinite loop, but if you wish you can select the rewind. I'm selecting again infinite loop. Next option is carousel autoplay. I'm going to enable carousel autoplay. After enabling it, it's asking for autoplay speed. For better understanding, I'm going to make it replicate. Just selecting here and clicking on this 3 dot. After that, I'm going to click on duplicate. Again, I'm clicking on duplicate. So total 4 carousel created here. And if I want to test the speed of this autoplay, I am saving it. After that, I'm going to view the post, and if I come to the end of the post, you see this is the carousel and it's playing automatically. But I think I need to increase the speed. So if I need to increase the speed, I have to decrease the number. I am making it 500 and giving save. Let's see, is it working fast or slow? Giving refresh again, and you see it's very fast, just coming one by one. It's not readable. I'm going to increase it to 1500. That would be standard maybe. I think this speed is perfect. Okay, come to the next option. Carousel slide transition speed. That's right now it's 400. By the same way, you can adjust it from here. Next is slide to scroll. It's 1, but if you want, you can make it all. But 1 is perfect. Arrow style. It's talking about this arrow. White on dark. If you wish, you can make black on light or outline black. Dot style, it's dark. It's talking about this. If I select light, then actually as my background is white, so it will not display. If I select outline dark, then outline would be dark. Come to the next option is style settings. I'm clicking on this style. After clicking, first option is container settings. Under the container settings, first option is background. If I want to select the background, I have to click on this icon. I'm clicking here, and as example, I am selecting the content background color, lighter color. You see, its background color changed. By this way, you can change the container background color. Even you can use the custom color. But this color is perfect, I think. If you want to give a border for this container, it's not only for this container, all of the container color will change. So border color, right now there is no border. I'm giving 1 pixel border, and color going to give this one. You see border color is displaying here. Then border radius, if I make 10 pixel border radius or 100 pixel, you see this border radius is changed. So top left I gave 100, and left bottom I want to give 100. So your design will be like this. If I come to the next, you see it's like this. By using this border radius option, you can make your design more stylish. It would be more attractive for your readers. Next option is box shadow. If I enable the box shadow, then box will be display a shadow here. Next option is icon settings. So if I click on this right side arrow icon, and if I enable show top icon, you see I enabled it and it's displaying this icon. If you like this, you can enable it. Even if you just want to change the icon, just click on right side arrow icon. You will get lots of icon. Which icon you like, you may use that icon. I am disabling the top icon. Next option is title settings. I am clicking here. Here you will get the option for show title or not. By default, it's show title enable. I'm going to disable it, so title will not display here. Again, I'm going to enable show title. If you enable the show title, next option is what HTML tag you want for the title. Before that, there's the color settings. If you want, you can change the title color. If I click here, and if I click this color, you see title color already changed. By default, it's the H2HTML tag, but if you wish, you can change it. And next option is font size. By default, it's given a font size of H2, but if you wish, you can customize the font size small, medium, large, or if you click on this icon, you can use as a pixel for the font size. And most importantly, this design is completely responsive for desktop, laptop, tablet, or any kind of mobile device. I am not changing the font size, as the H2 font size getting automatically. That's the perfect. Next is line height. If you need to customize the line height, you can add the number. Next is letter case. Which letter case you want, you can select. If you want capitalized, just click here. All will be the capitalized. Or if you don't want, you can just deselect it. It will be default. Font family. click the right side arrow icon, you can select any other font. Right now it's showing the default font weight. You can change from here, select any one, which one you like. Next is letter spacing. If you want to increase or decrease the letter spacing, you can select it from here. Next is padding. You can add the padding on top, right, bottom, left. After that is margin. Same here, you can add the margin for top, right, bottom, left. Title minimum height, you can give a minimum height, but I think it's don't need to add the title minimum height. Next option is rating settings. If I click the right arrow icon for the rating settings, I can enable the rating. Right now it's disabled. If I enable it, you see rating is displaying here. You can change the rating color also. Icon size, you can change the rating icon size. For example, if you want to make it bigger like 25, you see it's bigger. You can add the same rating padding, rating margin here. And next question is, if you want to give rating like 4.5, 4.3 or 3, how you can customize this? By default it's displaying the 5. For that you have to click on this rating, then you will get this rating number settings. For example, I am giving the 4.5 or 4. You see it's displaying the 4. If I give 5, it will display 5. Come to the next option. This is the content settings. If I click on this right arrow icon, here first option is show content. By default this content already displaying here. And next option is content color. If you want to change the content color, just click here and select your desired color. It will be changed. Next is font size, line height, letter case, font family, font weight, letter spacing, everything as like the title settings. If you want, you can customize it. Next, come to the media settings. I am clicking the media settings right arrow. After that, there has first option is show media. If I disable it, then this image will not display here. I am going to again select show media. If I show the media, then their option is media max size. Right now it's 60. It's talking about this media size. If you want, you can make it bigger or smaller. Next is media border. Right now it's 0. I am giving 1 pixel border, and border color I am going to give like red. So media border is displaying here. Next is media border radius. I think it's not necessary to add. Right now which style is displaying here, it's very perfect, I think. Next is media background. If you wish, you can change the background for the media padding, media margin, you can customize. Next, come to the name settings. I'm clicking the right arrow. Here is the first option, show name. This is talking about this name. And if you don't want to show the name, just disable it. You can change the name color, font size from here, line height, letter case, font family, font weight. Everything is like similar typography settings. For the occupation settings, it's the almost same all of the thing. You can customize this occupation from that option. So I already explained all of the option from the style settings. Now I am moving to the advanced settings. If I click on the advanced, first option is padding. By default, top, right, bottom, left, everywhere have the 20 pixel. If you need to customize or change, you can change. Next, container max width is talking about this width. Right now it's 500. If you need to increase or decrease, you can do it from here. For example, if you give 300, it will be 300. If you want to give the 800, it will be 800. As per you need, you can change it. Container minimum height, if you want to give the minimum height, then you can mention it here. And next is wrapper. If I open the wrapper, here has two options, that's the padding and margin. You can customize it. And next option is block default and advanced. If I click on advanced, first option is HTML anchor. I can give the anchor here. And if I want to make more customization with the CSS, then I can include the CSS class name here. I'm going to save the post and I want to check the view post, how it looks like at the front end. This is the testimonial, it's automatically scrolling. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can add this kind of testimonial very easily for your WordPress website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.